Today we're going to be making a travel mug, and we need to start with some coils. So I'm going to grab some clay and pinch it. So I've got a cylinder, and that's how I'm going to start to roll out. I want to use my whole hand, from the tip of my fingers to the base of my palm, to roll out my coil. I want the coils to be kind of thick. They should be about as thick as my thumb, or one of my fingers. We should not get really small, skinny, tiny coils. This will take forever to build with. We don't want to use these. We want a nice, thick coil, again about the size of your thumb or your forefinger. You never want to take a big chunk of clay and try and roll that. Instead, squeeze the clay into a cylinder and then roll it. And again, remember to use your whole hand, working the clay back and forth. And that's how you roll a coil. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a bit of clay and use a rolling pin to roll out a piece. We want a piece that's about 1/4 inch thick. And I'm going to start with a 2-inch cookie cutter. Now I'm going to take my coils, again, about the size of my thumb or my fingers. I'm going to score around the outside edge of my disc, and then I'm going to score my coils. I'll use some water or some slip to moisten my pieces, and then I'll attach around the outside edge of the disc. Now I want to make sure to stitch immediately. I don't want to wait. I'm going to stitch on the bottom and stitch on the inside. Now I'm going to score the top of that first coil and attach a second coil. Immediately I want to stitch it together on the inside and the outside. And I'm going to keep doing this, stacking those coils right on top of each other. I shouldn't be getting any bigger. I should just be stacking these coils directly on top of each other. After each coil, I want to make sure that I stitch it all together. Before I get too tall, I'm going to smooth it out with a rib. If you try and smooth it out on the inside at the very end, it's going to be too tall and you're not going to be able to do it. So we want to make sure that we're getting about 6 inches tall. So we're going to keep going till we get about 6 inches tall. Once we're 6 inches tall, we're going to go ahead and smooth it out using a rib and using a paddle. Now I need to cut a piece for the top. So I'm going to take my slab, and now I'm going to use a 4-inch cookie cutter. I'm going to cut that in half. And it's going to fit over one side of the top. I don't want to do it right away because I don't want to attach it right away because it needs to firm up so it won't sag in the middle. Then I want to cut an aperture, an opening, so I can drink from it. I want to smooth that out. Then I'm going to score the top, wet it, and I'm going to score the flat piece as well. I'm going to stitch that all together and smooth it out. And then I have my finished travel mug.